Right now we're taking stock in our snowplows, the condition. Go through the trucks to make sure they're winter ready, change wiper blades, the plows will change the cutting edges on.
It's hard to tell whether our first winter storm will be weeks or months away, but it's not too early to prep well before the winter weather is expected. The City of Corning Public Works has hundreds of tons of salt stocked already.
600 to 800 ton on a yearly average. We take the last 5 years usage and average that out, and that's what we budget for every year.
City of Corning Public Works Superintendent Joseph Tongue says if there's a winter that's colder and with much more precipitation, Corning will still be prepared.
And we have reserves that the city's stocked away, and sometimes we have to tap into that.
The National Weather Service has predicted a soggy, mild winter for its latest NOAA 3-month outlook. But Public Works relies on 7 to 10 day forecasts to anticipate prepare for winter weather events.
The short-term forecast calls for some cold weather, but nothing as far as, typically November is the first time we'll see something sticking to the road that we have to maintain.
This means now is the time to start getting your home and car winter ready.
Yeah, they have some time, but I would be getting that ready right now so that they're not caught off guard in case there is a freak storm.
Though many are worried about snow that comes with the cold weather, expect and plan for icy conditions that usually happen first.
This time of year we're more apt to get ice, and ice is obviously a much different game than snow. Just make sure your vehicle's ready to go for the winter and good tread, and make sure to give the plows and the people out there maintaining the roads plenty of space to do their job.
Sonia Ellison, Big Fox News, Corning.